Hi, welcome to the Remarkable Care Awards for February 2020. So we are looking at our company as of January 31st. We have 140 employees, 117 care providers, and 23 administrative staff. So right now, in our Remarkable Care Awards for the month of January, we want to talk about on-time end services. So this was an area that we did not do so well in January. So hopefully you're all catching up now and you're going to be like rock star getting everything done for February. So these 54 remarkable people completed in-service training on time. Thank you. All right, moving on to the fill-in award. This is super exciting. This is super important because these are people who are helping fill shifts, right? Our goal is to have 90% full shifts. And so these people are going the extra mile to help us do that. These are 30 people, remarkable clinicians who filled in a total of 144 times for open shifts in January and help support our families. So this is 30% of our entire company has agreed to say, yes, I'll help out. So there's some really, let's see, we have here, I see a 12, Georgie, she filled in a total of 12 times, Elizabeth, 10 times. We've got Antonella, 6, Angel, 8, Charmaine, 8, Elvira, 8, Ethan, 7, lots of good numbers here. Nakia, 11, Tosin, 7. Thank you. No callouts. So 81%, right? So, and it's been a rough couple of weeks with the flu. Please make sure that we keep these numbers high. We really, when you think about it, every month everybody should come to work most of the time. So let's try to really increase this. But 81 people showed up every time for their shifts in January. Thank you. Next, whoa, look at this. Isn't this awesome? So they say that whatever you measure gets managed. And so we've been really focused and heavily putting attention on on-time notes. And so again, we were not that long ago, look at this. In August, we were at 56%. And now we had 93%. That is incredible. We're almost to 95. That is outstanding. So thank you all for that. That's all I got. Please go make the world a better place.